It is a sunny Saturday morning. Two friends are sitting together in a small, cozy coffee shop. The smell of fresh coffee and warm bread fills the air. They both have a cup of coffee in front of them, and there is a plate of cookies on the table. The friends are smiling and happy to spend time together. One friend looks up and asks, "What are you doing this weekend?" She smiles and takes a sip of her coffee. The other friend thinks for a moment. Then she answers, "I think I will go to the park. I want to walk and enjoy the fresh air." She smiles and looks out the window. "Maybe I will also read a book in the park. It is nice to relax outside." The first friend nods. She is interested. "That sounds nice. Are you going alone?" The second friend says, "Yes, I am going alone. Sometimes I like to walk by myself." She takes a cookie and laughs a little. Now the second friend asks, "What about you? Do you have any plans for the weekend?" The first friend shakes her head slowly. "I don't have any plans yet. Maybe I will relax at home. I'm a little tired from work." The second friend smiles. "You work very hard. It is good to rest." The first friend thinks for a moment. Then she says, "Maybe we can go to the park together. Would you like that?" The second friend is happy. "Yes, I would like that. We can walk and talk. We can also buy ice cream if it is sunny." The first friend laughs. "Yes, I love ice cream. Which park do you want to go to?" The second friend says, "Let's go to Central Park. It is big and beautiful. We can meet at the entrance at 10 o'clock on Sunday." The first friend agrees. "That is a good idea. I will meet you there at 10. I am looking forward to it." The two friends smile and take another sip of coffee. They are happy to spend time together. The second friend asks, "After the park, do you want to have lunch together?" The first friend says, "Yes, I want to. I know a nice cafe near the park." The second friend says, "Great, I'm excited." They both feel happy because they have made plans together. It is nice to have a friend. They continue to talk about their plans. The first friend says, "If it rains, what will we do?" The second friend thinks, "If it rains, we can go to your house or my house. We can watch a movie together." The first friend nods. "That is a good idea. I have some funny movies at home." The second friend laughs. "I like funny movies. I hope it will not rain, but if it does, we will still have fun." The friends finish their coffee and enjoy their cookies. They talk about what they will wear to the park. The first friend says, "I will wear my new blue hat." The second friend says, "I will bring my camera. We can take pictures in the park." The first friend is happy. "Yes, let's take many pictures. We can remember this weekend." The two friends look forward to their Sunday together. They both feel excited and happy to have plans. Now let's practice some key phrases from this conversation. What are you doing this weekend? Do you have any plans for the weekend? I think I will go to the park. I want to read a book. I don't have any plans yet. Maybe we can go together. I will meet you at 10 o'clock. Let's have lunch together. If it rains, we can watch a movie. These are simple ways to talk about your plans in English. You can use these sentences with your friends. Remember to speak slowly and clearly. Smile and enjoy the conversation. Making plans with friends is fun. It is a good way to practice English. You can talk about what you want to do, ask questions, and answer in simple sentences. If you do not have plans yet, you can say, "I don't have any plans yet." Or you can say, "I will relax at home." It is okay to have simple plans. If you want to invite your friend, you can say, "Maybe we can go together," or "Would you like to join me?" If your friend invites you, you can say, "Yes, I would like that," or "That sounds nice." You can also talk about the weather. For example, if it rains, we can watch a movie, or if it is sunny, we can go to the park. Talking about your plans helps you learn new words. It helps you use the future tense. I will go. I am going to go. I want to go. I think I will. Practice these sentences with your friends or classmates. Try to make your own plans. You can talk about going to the park, seeing a movie, visiting your family, or relaxing at home. It is good to ask about your friends' plans. What about you? Or, and you? Listening to your friend's answer is important. You can ask more questions. Are you going alone? What time will you go? Where will you meet? You can also talk about what you will do if something changes. If it rains, we can do something else. Remember, the most important thing is to enjoy speaking English. Making simple plans with friends is a great way to practice. Now try to have your own conversation in English. Use these simple sentences and have fun planning your weekend.